Our reporter Rachel Perry has new information from the family's legal team about what they believe caused the crash.
Roughly a week after 6-year-old Emma Riddle died following a tragic go-kart crash here at Urban Air Adventure Park, Emma's family hired the Morgan & Morgan law firm.
The loss here is unbelievable.
Thomas Hasty is the attorney representing the family. The law firm is currently doing their own investigation into what caused the crash.
We're investigating this case both from a premises liability perspective, which would be failure to maintain, failure to inspect, and also a products liability component, which means we're looking at the products that were involved, were they designed and constructed correctly.
Saying so far, their investigation shows the go-kart Emma and her mom were in may have not been working properly.
Then after the race was cleared, or she was cleared by the operator to move, allegedly, the go-kart accelerated to a high rate of speed without Emma's mom engaging the accelerator and crashed into the track wall.
The park here has since opened back up. A spokesperson telling us the go-kart attraction will remain closed, also maintaining all attractions past a June 2025 inspection.
What happens after that inspection process, we don't know. What was done to prepare for that, what was done in terms of maintenance inspection afterwards, these are all issues that we would be hoping to discover through a litigation.
Now, while the park requires visitors to sign a waiver to enter, Hasty says it's not the actual waiver they're worried about. It's a specific clause.
There's an arbitration provision in the waiver that was signed by Emma's mother. And so when an arbitration agreement is triggered, it takes the case out of the standard litigation experience that everybody is familiar with.
Meaning it wouldn't be made public or go to a jury, but instead be heard by a single arbitrator who would decide if Urban Air is liable and how much the family is owed.
If we can keep eyes on this, we can hopefully affect change and prevent this from ever happening again.
In Port St. Lucie, Rachel Perry, WPBF 25 News.